by popular demand, more home tours. I know I've been slacking on these. We've just been crazy busy and I've been sick and sounding like Darth Vader, so really wasn't in the mood to do a bunch of voice recording, but let's get to it. So much has happened since the last video. Obviously there are doors here now, very exciting. They took down the crown molding. This is to get some electrical outlets here and here because there's going to be a beam right there where that light fixture is. Going into, okay, the reason, just a quick story. The reason I wanted a door here is because, and we're going to have these frosted once we're closer to being finished. We get so much company here in Hawaii, guys. I wanted to create a space for our guests where they could close this door and have literally just their own private retreat. We've already started moving stuff in from our current house, so that's what that is. Baseboards are in, we're gonna do touch-up painting. So I wanted people who come to stay with us to have just literally the ability to close this door and have access to the laundry room, a utility sink. I'm obsessed with these floors and the tiling in this bathroom. It's all so perfect. So yeah, if you want to be our Hawaii house guest, you have this sweet area to hang out in. Leaving our little hideaway retreat. This goes to the garage. Obviously, it will be frosted as well. This is still just a hot mess. Nothing is really going on in here yet because the kitchen stuff doesn't come until later this month. This though, you guys, is a thing of beauty. I'm so excited. Tomorrow the TV gets delivered. There's gonna be a fireplace right there. Also, in very, very exciting news, my stair spindles are even more epic in person than they are online. Obviously, they're not done with them yet, but I was just so excited. There and there are they're gonna be a little bit lower, but that's just like the box for the electricity. There's gonna be light fixtures. All of these circular holes in our ceiling are going to be recessed lights. Let's go upstairs. So in the primary bedroom, this is actually the pane of glass that will go in the downstairs shower. Look at all this progress. It looks a little bit like a whirlwind now, but there's the rendering. That's the vision. So imagine this here, this here. They framed in the door already. That's where the toilet's gonna go. They're installing the shower fixtures right now. Just so many amazing things.